kids, welcome back to ABC Kids Fun channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw a few fruits. And before we start, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell button so that you will get notifications whenever I post a video. Let's get into the video now. Draw two inverted curves on the top and a curve like this at the bottom. Now join them with curves on both sides. Next, draw a short stem from the middle like this. Let's draw a leaf now. Look, it's an apple. Now let's try the next fruit. Draw lines like upside down V over one another like shown in the video for leaves. Then draw a standing rectangle with curved edges touching the leaves. Now draw slanting lines as shown in the video. It's a pineapple. For the next fruit, draw two curves parallel to each other as shown in the video, and at one end, draw a circle to close it. Then, draw a T on the other end, joining the two curves, and draw a line in the middle. Hey, we have made a sketch of a banana. Next, draw a curve like we do for a heart shape, but leave the top part open. From the center, draw a small stem. Then, draw the leaves as shown in the video. Now let's draw the seeds using a CD marker or a sketch. And our strawberry is ready. Let's try a pomegranate. It's very easy to draw it. Draw V-shaped lines like shown in the video, and using a bangle or a bottle cap, draw a circle joining it. That's all, you have a pomegranate. I hope these drawings are easy to draw, children. Watch till the end for more fruits. There is also a tip for you on coloring, so keep watching. For the next one, draw a small V, turn to right side, and then draw two curves on each side joining the V as shown in the video. Then draw a small stem from the top center. Draw a leaf at the side and your mango is done. Next, draw an upside down V and two leaves on either side as shown. Then draw two small circles, one over the other. Kids, you can use a small circular object like a bottle cap or your bangles. Our cute little cherries are ready. Next fruit is another easy one. Draw a half circle at the bottom and then draw a U upside down joining the half circle. Then draw a small stem and leaf. And it's any guesses? Yes, it's a pear. And the last fruit for today is watermelon. Let's draw a standing line first. You can use a ruler or a scale to draw it. Then draw a half circle joining the two ends of the line. It should look like the alphabet D. Do the same inside of it and outside also. Then draw a few seeds and your watermelon is done. So kids, now it's time to make them colorful. Let's color our fruits. tip for you. While coloring, use the strokes in the same direction. If you color in the same direction, then you will have a neat finish. And when you are doing a circular object or something which is round, do the strokes in the round shape. Then it will look more appealing. And when you are coloring near the border line, instead of coloring fast, just draw along the border and the color will not bleed. Meaning the color will not come outside the border. Okay kids, so with this we have come to the end of the video. I hope you tried this tutorial. If not, please do try it immediately so that you will know how to draw your fruits. We'll meet again in another video. Please do subscribe to ABC Kids Fun channel and watch my videos. I post story time with Anna every weekend, and I post art and craft, and I also do educational videos. So please do subscribe so that you will not miss any of my videos. So thank you for watching. Meet you next time. Bye.